The 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante by Q by Aston Martin, the sports cars customization department, has brought us some gorgeous example in recent history. Whether it was the CC100 Speedster Concept that was introduced at last year's Geneva Motor Show or Q's first stab at the Vanquish Volante, Aston's customization program has been a veritable hit factory. Like a gift that just keeps on giving, Q by Aston Martin has released 2 edition models at the 2014 Geneva Auto Show, giving us an idea of just how talented the customization division really is. Unlike last year's Red Ember-finished Vanquish Volante, this one is a little more subdued, but no less incredible in its own special way. Sometimes subtle touches trump over-the-top modifications when it comes to making a fantastic custom ride. And subtlety is exactly what this custom Vanquish Volante ozzes from every pore. Click past the jump to read about the 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante by Q. Apart from the Q by Aston Martin badging that distinguishes the Vanquish Volante from the rest of its brethren, this model also includes an incredibly awesome exposed carbon fiber tonneau cover that has been finished in a deep gloss that adds a nice visual touch. The suit of carbon the Vanquish's bodyshell is cloaked in. Inside, the Vanquish Volante's seats don't have the same flamboyant blue leather treatment as the V12 Vantage S. Instead, Q designers opted for a classier and more luxurious white essence leather with classic cream truffle stitching, contrasting with the rich Aurora blue leather detailing, and a satin finish walnut veneer center stack. That's how you design an interior cabin, folks.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.